Hey, my beautiful vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must over this side. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you two recipes, saltfish fritters and banana fritters. And here are the ingredients for my saltfish fritters. So here is my saltfish. I have it soaking for some hours in cold water, and I pour off the water, and now I will be breaking it up into smaller pieces. And if it has bone in it, you need to pick out the bone, right? We don't want to eat any fritters with any bone. So here it is, all done. So pick it up in small pieces. All done. Okay, so here I have 2 or maybe 3 cups of flour, who knows. And I'm just putting my saltfish in it. So pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. That looks good. You know, each bite of this fritters, you're gonna get like a lot of saltfish, right? You see how much? Okay, so here I have some minced up onion. I chopped it up really nice and fine. And here I have scallion. Yes, scallion. Maybe it's about 3 stalks or 2, and I'm using sweet pepper. Now this is optional because my mom don't put sweet peppers in hers. It's only onion, I think scallion, and the pepper, right? And it tastes amazing still. So yeah, I'm just adding some different colors of the sweet pepper or bell peppers. And now I'm going in with the water. Yes, because we're making fritters. It needs to be a bit runny but still thick. We like them thickums over here. So yeah, mix it up, add that water, pour, pour, pour. Yeah, but we believe in rich. Listen, yes, just mix it up. And we are looking for a nice thick consistency, right? It's not supposed to be runny, right? It is a little bit too thick here, just a little bit. So I added a little bit of water. So here I'm adding, oh Lord, what do you call it again? Some all-purpose seasoning, and of course some pepper flakes. Now everybody know, or every Jamaican, every Caribbean people know, for most part, it is Scotch bonnet pepper that we put in this, but I didn't have any. But we don't let that stop our show. So yeah, mix that up, add those and mix it up, and then I'm adding some black pepper. But yeah, if you have the Scotch bonnet pepper, please, it tastes amazing with the Scotch bonnet pepper. But yeah, go ahead and mix it up, and then we are gonna drop them when it's the right consistency. We're gonna pour our oil in the pot. Look at it. And yeah, pour the oil, and then we're going to drop them. So not too big, not too small, right? Let's drop. By the way, of course, the oil is hot. It is hot, right? You need it to be hot. So yeah, we're going to drop them. Then when they are brown, we're going to turn them over. So on medium heat, you give each side about 4 or 5 minutes, right? Depending on how bad your stove is or good, really. Flip them over. Yes, so once they are beautifully golden brown, you flip them over, and then you allow the other side to get golden brown. Look at this, all beautiful. So we're taking them out and we're putting them on our rack, or you can put them on paper towel. By the way, Vibe Sam, look how beautiful this is. They are so golden, the brown, beautiful. Drain off the oil. And yeah, look at it. And did you hear the crispiness of them? They are so nice and crispy. Just amazingly delicious. This is the last one. Let's take it out. Look at it bubble. Yes, bubbling. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have an amazing, delicious bowl of what? Saltfish fritters, yay! And Vibes Sam, look at them. I'm telling you, they are so nice and crispy and just delicious. A lot of saltfish and just amazing flavors. Each bite you take, it just pop in with flavor in your mouth. It's just amazing, amazing. But yeah, Vibes Sam, this is it. This is the saltfish fritters. Comment down below and tell me, would you try this one? Now let's jump into the banana fritters. So here we have the ingredients. We have banana, egg, some dark sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and I'm using self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you want. So I'm using 3 overripe bananas. The bananas are nice and ripe. Please use the ripe ones, right? Really nice and ripe to the point they are looking black. And you crush those out. And now I'm going in with 1 egg. And then I'm gonna whisk that egg up. So we're going to be just, yeah, whisk it up, whisk it up. Because these fritters are gonna be nice and fluffy. Yes, just look nice and yes. And here I'm having adding a 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add less if you want, right, Vibe Sam? You can add less if you want. Don't worry about it. Do what you gotta do. And now I'm going in with some flour. And of course, as I said, use self-rising flour. When you use self-rising flour, you don't have to worry about the baking powder thing, right? You can use regular flour if you want. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking my time and adding the flour until it is to the consistency that I need. So I like my banana fritters nice and fluffy, so I add a good amount of flour, right? And it's gonna be nice and thick. So once it's to the consistency, then I won't add any more flour. Okay, until then I'm adding some vanilla, I'm adding cinnamon and nutmeg. And we are gonna stir it up. Stir it up, Mr. Stir it up. Okay. Now let's add a little bit more flour because it's still not the consistency that I want. And Vibe Sam, I prefer to do things this way to show you all that, listen, better you go about it this way than to just add a whole lot of something and then next thing you make a mistake, right? So here I am just pouring some oil in my little frying pan, and then I'm gonna add my fritters. I'm gonna drop them, but that one was dropped a little bit too early, right? Yeah, the oil wasn't that hot. So I had to wait until the temperature came up. So now I'm dropping the others. Yes, Vibe Sam. And can I tell you, once you look at them already, you know they're gonna be just nice and buff and fluffy and just so good. And tell me, by the way, do you prefer banana fritters or saltfish fritters? Have you had both? And if not, then you should try them. But yeah, drop them, and then when they're brown, we're gonna flip them. So once they got golden brown on the other side, then I flip them over, and sometimes I do a little bit of double flipping, right? So yeah, if it's not as brown and pretty, then I'll flip it on the other side and get it nice and brown. So what I'm doing with that one, the edge is not really nice and pretty, the color that I wanted, so I put it on the side. And yeah, when they're done, take them out. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious fluffy, now a sheeny fluffy, nice and beautiful, and just yes, fluffy. Listen, banana fritters is my favorite fritters. Can I tell you? I will eat this thing every weekend. When I was living in Japan, I ate banana fritters every Saturday and Sunday. Yes, every Saturday and Sunday. But yes, Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button to say you like the video. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and don't forget to comment and tell me which one do you like. It helps my channel when you comment. Again, thank you. God bless you.